Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set default SIM for SMS on any Oppo phone. Now to do that, first of all, just make sure that you have two SIM cards in your smartphone. Otherwise, this option will not appear. Now to set default SIM for SMS, just open the Messages app on your smartphone. From here, just open the contact which you want to message. Now at the right side of the text box, you will find a SIM card icon. Now just tap on the SIM card icon, and from here you can select which SIM card you want to use for SMS messaging. Just like that. And if you're using Google Messages instead of Oppo's own messaging app, just go to your home screen and open Google Messages. From here, just open the contact which you want to message, then tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the screen. Then tap on Details, and from here, just tap on Switch, and from here you will be able to select a SIM card for SMS messaging. Just like that. And this is how you can set default SIM for SMS on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.